and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn super useful sentences. So let's get started. So the first sentence is please walk a bit slowly. It means थोड़ा धीरे चलो ना. He didn't say anything to me. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा. Why did you lie to me? तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Is that a good attitude? क्या यह अच्छा रवैया है? I have something to say. मुझे कुछ कहना है तुमसे. What should I do now? अब मैं क्या करूं? I need your help. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. What are you going to do? तुम क्या करने जा रहे हो? I need to talk to him. मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I don't trust him. मुझे उस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't understand anything. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Will you come with me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Think about it again. इस बारे में दोबारा सोचो. This task is very important. यह काम बहुत ज़रूरी है. Listen to me carefully please. ज़रा ध्यान से सुनो मुझे. I can't live without you. मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह सकता. Keep trying, don't give up. कोशिश करते रहो, हार मत मानो. I'll talk to you later. मैं बाद में तुमसे बात करता हूँ. I did whatever I could. मुझसे जितना हो सका मैंने किया. You always help me. तुम हमेशा मेरी मदद करते हो. I am not completely sure. मुझे पूरा यकीन नहीं है. I don't know when she will come. मुझे नहीं पता वह कब आएगी. Will you forgive me? क्या तुम मुझे माफ करोगे? Did you do your homework? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? This book seems really interesting. यह किताब बहुत मज़ेदार लग रही है. So friends, these were 25 super useful sentences. So these kind of sentences are very helpful in English conversations. So if you all found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.